Oh,
ito, very
yes.
interesting piece. Ano to?
Interesting. Okay, this is one of our products, a paper for now, Alex, no? And we actually, we supply kultura under Crafts for a Cause ng mga recycled items or products. And then, it goes back to my advocacy. Kung ano man yung mga, yung nakukuhang money doon, it goes back to the people who are working for Paper for Now, dun sa livelihood project wherein I am the Chief Creative Officer. Pagkatapos nun, goes back to the materials that they buy, pagkatapos sa mga nila, sa mga salary nila.
Kasama ba to? Hindi.
Hindi yan.
Hindi ito. Ito
So,
lang.
si
That's
Cheryl
one of the
pala
products
ay
also in Kultura.
social entrepreneur, di ba?
You could say that, but I just like helping people then in my own little way. And I think this is yung pinaka, yung way ko of helping them back.
Kung helping lang, pwedeng pakitulungan tong isa doon.
Hindi na kailangan tulungan.
Nakatulog nakatulog.
We have been in the market for almost 3 years na.
Wow,
Ganda
okay.
no, na kultura.